In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tax form in Turbotax. If you accidentally added the wrong form, created a duplicate entry, or just need to clean up your return before moving forward, Turbotax gives you a built-in way to remove it. The process is straightforward, but it helps to know exactly where to look, because the delete option is tucked inside the Tools menu rather than directly on the main tax summary pages. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your Turbotax screen and click on Tax Tools. This opens a small menu with additional options that are not always visible during the standard filing workflow. If you do not immediately see everything, give it a moment and make sure the side menu is fully expanded. Next, click on Tools. This will open a pop-up or menu window that includes several utility options for managing your return. These tools are especially useful when you want to make behind-the-scenes changes, like removing forms you no longer need. From there, click on Delete a Form. Once you select that option, Turbotax will bring up a list of the forms currently included in your return. This is the area where you can review everything that has been added so far. Take a second here to make sure you choose the correct form, especially if multiple forms have similar names or are tied to related tax sections. After that, find the form you want to remove and click the trash icon next to it. This tells Turbotax that you want to delete that specific form from your return. Be careful at this stage because deleting a form can also remove information connected to that section. If you are unsure, it may be helpful to pause and double check the form name before continuing. Finally, click Yes, Delete to confirm your choice. Once you do that, Turbotax will remove the selected form from your return. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a tax form in Turbotax. After removing the form, it's a good idea to quickly review your return to make sure everything still looks correct and that no related information needs to be re-entered elsewhere. This can help prevent errors later in the filing process. Thanks for watching, and if you're following along step by step, you should now be able to remove any unnecessary form from your Turbotax return with confidence.